Morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, distinguished guests. Today we're looking at reducing balance loans again, but this time we're using a financial solver and the CAS to solve these problems. So Andrew borrows $20,000 at 7.25%, compounds monthly, and it's over 4 years, and the payments are $481.25 each. First question is, how much correct to the nearest cent does Andrew owe after 3 years? So pop over to our financial solver. If you're not sure where that is, on generally the second page of our Casio CAS is financial, and then we want to hit compound interest. So N is the number of periods we're interested in. Okay, so 3 years, so we're interested in it being 36 months because it's a monthly payment. Okay, pays monthly. So 36 months. You can also put in 3 times 12 if you're rubbish at working out how many months that should be. His interest rate is 7.25%. That doesn't have to be divided by 12 for the compounding monthly. We tell the CAS to do that down here in the CY part. Present value of the loan, he was given $20,000. His payments are $481.25 each. Okay, so 480, sorry, let's try that again. And you'll notice that I put a negative in there, $481.25, because he's paying the bank money, so the money's moving away from him. Up here, the present value of the loan, he was given the $20,000. Right, we want to solve it for the future value, so it won't be anything. And that's 12 and 12. So payments a year are 12 because they're monthly. These will pretty much always be the same. Compounding periods a year is 12 as well. All right, pop up here and solve. And that is the future value of the loan. Okay. So after 3 years, Andrew owes $5,554.36. Okay. We don't need to put the negative in our question, in our response here, because it's telling us that it was asking us what he owes, so that's what he owes. So don't put a negative in there. What's the final payment amount Andrew must make to fully repay the loan after 4 years? All right. So we want to know, for this one, we want to know the actual future value. Now, this isn't a payment question like it might seem at first. We actually want to know the future value after 4 years worth of payments. So he's been paying it off for 48 months. Everything else stays the same. And if we solve for the future value, we find that he has, correct to the nearest cent, he has 11 cents left over. Okay. So if he's got 11 cents left over, then his last repayment, okay, will have to be that much plus the 11 cents left over. So on that last repayment, he's not left with any outstanding balance. So once we've done that, we can go for, if you want to show you working out, 481.25 plus 11 cents is equal to 481.36. Okay, so that will be his last repayment. So remembering that when the interest is accrued, the payment's taken on at the end of that. Okay, so after his interest is accrued for his last repayment, he has still that 11 cents left over after that's paid. So if we add that to his last repayment, he'll be all done and dusted. Okay, so that is playing with reducing balance loans and fixing Andrew's problems, or how Andrew would pay off his loan. Okay, hope that helps, guys. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you shortly again for another run through some financial. Cheers, gang. Bye.